Hello, we are the boys. Hello, we are the boys. You can find us on A Swiss Housewife. We're gonna today show you how to make giant paper clams for babies. So today we are gonna show you how to make a clam for babies. Its real name is paper clam for baby. You can make another one just medium size, and if the babies destroy it again, you can make one in a small size, and so on. But for that, you need big paper. It then turns out this small. See?
Yep.
I'm not done. And then you can do stuff with it, like play puppets.
Don't fold it completely, because then it cannot fly.
It's also to fly, but if you want it not to fly, you can put two eyes on here and play puppets. Hello, I'm Mr. Clam.
Yes, and that's how you can make paper clams.
Bye.
Bye.
The boys. Bye. Cut. Hello. We're gonna show you how to make a clam. You see, we already did it. That you can see. You have to fold it, and then like this, and then again. That the clam is like this here. Boy 1 will do it, and me, boy 2 will talk about how it works. See, he is there, then he folds out like this, and then he takes it again, and from here.
I'm making
down,
it a little bit wrong.
Down,
It doesn't matter.
Down.
No, I'm making it a little bit wrong.
He did it wrong, so cut.
I'm just gonna start over. I can do that.
Cut! Hello, we're gonna make a paper clam for babies. It's big, so if they rip it apart, you can make another one. It's actually very easy and fun. Look, if you were watching only me, then you should do the movie again, because I did not say anything about this. But I can open it up again for you guys, like this, see? So you have it here like this, and then you fold one time like here, then you do like this, then you do like this, then you do like this, and then you have it. And then if you want, you can make eyes here and here, and a mouse if you want, a tongue is here. If you want a mouse, I don't care really, but, and then yummy, yummy, yummy. You play with him as a puppet.
And you can also use as fly, but it also costs some stuff. So like some
Paper.
So like francs.
Paper. Costs, you have to have paper.
Yeah, but it also costs some francs.
This is a movie.
Okay.
This is a movie, we have to cut. So today we're gonna show you how to make a paper clam for babies. If it breaks, who cares? You can make another one because it's big. But it does not work if you do it with a small piece of paper. Look, he's now folding it once, and then he's folding it like this. This would be the ultra ginormous, but it's not really the right one. Then you fold it here, then you fold it here. Yeah, and then it's almost finished. You need to do that, and it's, if you don't want it pretty,
If it's
then you don't do that.
you want it to be stabilizer, then do that.
And if you want to have eyes, wait, I need a pen to do.
Then just draw it.
You take one of these. I'm afraid I don't have any red for the tongue right now, so I'll just make the tongue also this color. Eyes, and you make.
No, I'm gonna make the tongue.
Do you have a red? Oh, good.
Red.
Then you make the tongue. Red. And look. Oh, dang it. How about I make the eyes also red, because the eyes are not that big, huh? Like this.
Yeah, and then you can make a nose.
And then if you want, you can make a nose.
And then also eyebrows.
eyebrows if you want. And if you want, you can also just leave them with like that. This is just if you want a puppet. Hi. If you want it to fly, you can also jump and then throw it, and then it comes back down. And you can also throw it as a puppet.
Yeah, but it's better on a bouncy thingy.
Yes, like on a trampoline, it works very well.
Yeah, and on a bed it works good too.
Yes.
See?
And if you draw something wrong and you did it with Bleistift, you can just take the gummi and radieren it.
Yeah, it works.
Like here on the table. Okay, and that's what we have to say. Bye, the boys. Yeah.